Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Malia. If you're new here, it is the 13th, but I'm giving chocolate covered strawberry vibes. Tomorrow's actual Valentine's Day, and then next Saturday, is it Saturday? The 24th. So in 10 days, it's my anniversary. So we have a lot going on, and I'm really excited for this vlog. Tonight we're going to iFly. So when I get off work, I'm gonna go home and get ready for that. I just went to Skydive. So this is like my meeting ground. Because I'm not sure if I'll ever actually skydive. So it's gonna be a week full of love and new adventures, and I'm really excited. We've officially been married for 1 year. In 10 days we'll be married for 1 year. So time has flown by. Last year has been really good, really beautiful. I feel so blessed and lucky, and I'm excited for the next years. Okay guys, I am home. I'm actually in some PJs that are bleached up. We're about to go to iFly. I have to touch up my hair and put on some clothes. I'm gonna do a little makeup too. We're probably gonna actually eat dinner first and then go. But I still gotta get ready. So we're gonna eat dinner, get ready, and go! We have to be there at 9 o'clock and it's 6:48. We got this, which is technically our first time trying. I forgot to record myself getting ready, but I am ready. We're not supposed to wear jewelry, but I have to wear earrings. To myself some color in life, and yeah, I'm so excited. Now we're about to go to iFly.
I'm excited.
Me too. It's not nervous because we're not jumping on a plane.
It's gonna feel weird.
So when we got there, we had to do a weigh-in because you can only be up to 260 pounds. And then we got fitted for our attire, which is like your skydiving attire. And he got us helmets, earplugs, the whole shebang. Then the instructor flew around to show us what to do and how to do it. And then it was our turn. First was me, because he said ladies first. This was a lot harder than it looks. But we got to fly twice each. So it obviously got easier the second time. They literally have little kids doing it. So if they can do it, you definitely can do it. The wind in there is so strong. I was literally drooling everywhere and I couldn't hear or see anything. I'm not gonna lie, like you're trying to focus, but I was not relaxed, and they tell you to relax, and I couldn't. I don't know. And he also told me I was super flexible, so like my arms were going all the way back, which was pushing me up the tunnel, so he had to like hold me down. Overall, it was a 10 out of 10 experience, so I'll let you guys finish watching and catch you up when we're done. Done, we got certificates and got some photos. That way we can do it again with our certificate if we ever want to. And then the next day was Valentine's Day. I unfortunately did have to work, so my husband came to work with me to have lunch. Valentine's Day, you guys. Today is officially the 14th. Last night we went to iFly. It was so much fun. I genuinely want to do it again. I've always wanted to go skydiving, like I said earlier. This just kind of increased that desire to go again. But I definitely want to go to iFly more often. It's not the cheapest activity, so obviously not that frequently, but I want to learn because I eventually want to fly on my own. It was really fun, and we were the last group of the night, so the instructors were cool. There was also an instructor that was from Tulsa, so that was really cool. The world is so small. You meet so many people from the same place all the time. I have 3 more hours of work. It's such a slow day because it's a Saturday, so I'm usually slow on the weekend. So I don't think anybody knows that I am working today, which is okay. We can keep it that way. But yeah, I was so excited for last night. It was so much fun. I recommend it. 10 out of 10 experience. Yeah, it was really fun. I will see you guys after work. I just want to catch you guys up. Different day out here. My extensions are so matted. Look at this. Oh my God, and my phone's falling. But I'm about to do like a bun, but I want my bun to be big and full. See, and this clip has broken off. I mean, I could sew it back on, but I don't want to. We are going snow tubing in Flagstaff, so I'm excited about that. It's like 36 degrees right there, and they got 15 inches of snow. I miss seasons. Being in Phoenix, it's so hot here all the time. Like, I was sweating earlier, getting ready, and then I put all these clothes on, and I'm like, I'm too hot, so I had to take layers off. And like my shoes, my coat, my scarf, all that will get put on when we get there because I'm hot. But let me go finish doing my hair because I'm gonna go to the bathroom because I need some water. I don't have like a spray bottle at my vanity. And then I'll do a little bit of makeup. Okay, I am back. My hair is done. I'm gonna change my jewelry too. I put on some primer. This is the primer that I use. It's my favorite primer of all time. I'm never gonna switch up. Well, I might. Depends. Going in with some NYX skin tint. This is the Buttermilk Glaze with sunscreen in it. Oh my god, my phone is falling again. A little bit of blush. A little bit of blush. I am using my Stila blush in the shade Guava. This is like a dual contour blush shade. The contour is out. I love that. I'm gonna use some of this because it's glowy and we're gonna be in the sun, so I want to look like I am OD hydrated. Then I'm actually just gonna put it up here. I'm gonna put this one on like the tip of my cheek, which would be nice. Concealer. Not using a lot, just a little bit. This concealer brush, which I don't even know where this is from. I got it on Amazon. It's just a cheap little concealer brush. Oh my god, I sprayed in the opposite direction, but I just spray a little bit of this NYX Dewy finishing spray. And then just blend, 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 blend. I think I'm gonna set my concealer first. So I'm actually using this Maybelline Fit Me, the shade 320. I always crease under my eyes, so set that. Now I'm gonna go in with Makeup by Mario. This is the shade Dark, the Soft Scalp Blurring Bronzer. I don't know if he has a shade darker than this, if this is called dark, but he might. It's honestly not that dark, so it's definitely not made for black people. Almost like let me swatch it for you. My color. You don't see it, right? So I use a lot when I am applying. But yeah, this shade is not really that dark. And then for a glow, I am using Rare Beauty in the shade Mesmerize. I'm using the powder illuminator. This is the other one. I love Rare Beauty for illumination or like a glowy look. They also are a really good affordable brand in my opinion. But I also use the shade Flaunt. This one is more white. This is more golden, if that makes sense. I learned I really like it, and I do put some on my ear, which is weird, but I put it on my ear because I noticed when I do my makeup, my ears glow. So, like, the light hits it right here, and I'm like, you know what? Let me go ahead and just highlight that because I like it. It's just a weird thing that I like, and I do highlight my ears. I also still highlight my collarbones and stuff when those are showing. So, and I do use my finger for this because brushes just don't get the job done for me. This is my favorite blush. It's the Juvia's Place Volume 4. I really like this pink blush. Just fill in the brows, you see? You can even tell it's a pencil. It looks like my hair. My NYX Duck Pluck lip liner. Dang, I use NYX everything for my makeup today, basically. NYX might be my favorite affordable brand. Don't sleep on NYX. Who does though? Nobody. Then I'm gonna use the NYX Fat Oil. This one's more like a pink. So yeah, I'm all done. I'm ready to go. I'm actually gonna change my jewelry out, and I'm not gonna wear my engagement ring because I don't want to break it, but I'm gonna wear my wedding band, and then I'm gonna wear this, my anniversary band. So I have my wedding and my anniversary band. All right, I'm gonna wash my hands, put on some jewelry, and I'll see you guys in the actually warm out here, so I don't know if I'll wear this coat. But yeah, we're just walking. I'm gonna go look at everything first.
Something crazy.
Something crazy, not orange.
Yeah.
Okay, we are playing in the snow. We took some pictures and now we're gonna go snow tubing. This light's pretty.
Yeah, I'm catching you first. Let's go. We're going uphill. Got tubes in hand. We're about to conquer the slopes. You know what it is.
We're almost next.
Yo.
Ready? No. Ready? You guys go. Ready? Yup. Should I hold on to you then? Come closer. Okay. Can you see me? Go.
Alright, I got you.
Alright, ready?
I ain't got no phone.
Just go. Oh my god, wait, I can't see to stop. You want to stop us? Okay. The other one. No. That's fun. Now we're going home.
Let's go over here so you can lay in the snow. What do you want to do?
I want to lay on the snow with a blanket. Okay, we're back in the car, changing shoes and pants. Where I wore leggings under my jeans to stay warm. And since my jeans got a little wet, I'm taking them off. And I just have my leggings and then my Uggs. We are heading back home. Back home now, as you see in the background. But just to close out the video, that was our first time to Flagstaff. We actually had never been to Flagstaff. We talked about it on the way. He has not been there. I have not been there either, so it was really fun. It was really beautiful. It wasn't as cold as I thought it was going to be, so I wore a lot of layers for nothing, but regardless, it was a really fun time. I'll definitely be going back next year. We did the bigger slopes. We didn't do the smaller ones that are for kids, you know, or slower. We didn't really eat like any snacks or anything there because we stopped at Wendy's before we went, but they had hot chocolate. They had a place where you could make s'mores, all kind of things. And as the snow was melting, it was really muddy, so if you ever go, just be sure you wear proper shoes for that. They have like waterproof shoes or snowshoes, something like that. It was a good day to go, honestly. But yeah, it was our first time snow tubing in Arizona and our first time in Flagstaff. We wanted to have like a snow date. But yeah, like I said, we are just having a week full of love. In the next video, it will be more like our anniversary. We have some things going on then, so stay tuned for that video. Make sure you like this video too. Let me know what your dream Valentine's date is, you know. So don't forget to be kind, spread love, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!